Welcome to Melbourne's coffee world. Picture this. It's a Tuesday morning in Melbourne. You step into a small cafe tucked down a laneway, and the smell of fresh coffee hits you straight away. The barista looks up, smiles and says, "G'day, what can I get you?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank. Flat white, long black, piccolo, magic. What on earth is a magic? Today on Speak Local, we're going to walk you through ordering coffee like a true Aussie, the words, the rhythm, and the little cultural details that make the whole thing feel natural.
Hello, and welcome back to Speak Local. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Simon. Today we're talking about something very close to my heart, coffee.
Oh, this is your favourite topic, isn't it?
It really is. And honestly, if you live in Australia or you're planning to visit, ordering coffee is one of the most useful things you can learn.
Australians drink a lot of coffee. Like, a lot. And in Melbourne especially, coffee is almost a sport here.
It really is. There are little cafes on every corner. Each one has its own personality. And the people who make the coffee, the baristas, take it very seriously.
So today we'll teach you what to say, what to order, and how to sound confident. Even if it's your first time at the counter.
We'll cover the menu, the milk options, how to ask for it the way you like it, and a few small phrases that make you sound really natural.
And at the end, we have our Speak Local phrase of the day, a simple line you can use every single morning.
Right? Let's start with the menu because the Australian coffee menu is, shall we say, a little different.
Yes! In a lot of countries, you'd order a regular coffee or a cappuccino, and that's it. But here, the most common drink is the flat white.
A flat white. That's basically a shot of espresso with steamed milk on top. The milk is smooth, not foamy. That's the key thing.
So if you like coffee with milk but not too milky, the flat white is your friend.
Then there's the long black. A long black is 2 shots of espresso poured over hot water. It's strong but smoother than just an espresso.
That's like an Americano in other countries, but the order is reversed. Americans pour the water first, then the espresso. Australians pour the espresso into the water. It changes the taste.
Then we have the short black, which is just a single shot of espresso, small, strong, in a tiny cup.
And of course the cappuccino, which everyone knows. Espresso, steamed milk, lots of foam on top, and usually a little chocolate powder.
Now, here's a fun one, the piccolo. A piccolo is a small flat white served in an espresso glass.
It's tiny, about half the size of a normal coffee. Strong but creamy.
And then there's the magic. And Jessica, this one is very Melbourne.
It is. A magic is a double ristretto with steamed milk in a small cup. Ristretto means a shorter, sweeter espresso shot. So a magic is rich, balanced, not too much milk. Melbourne baristas love it.
If you order a magic in Sydney, some cafes will know what you mean. Some won't. But in Melbourne, you'll fit right in.
There's also the latte, of course. A latte has more milk than a flat white, and it's served in a tall glass.
And the mocha, chocolate plus coffee plus milk. Sweet and lovely.
Oh, and one more. The baby Shino. This is a tiny cup of frothy milk for kids, sometimes with marshmallows or a little chocolate sprinkle.
Adults order them too, by the way. No judgment.
None at all. Okay, so now you know the drinks. Let's talk about how to actually order.
This is where a lot of learners get nervous, but I promise it's simpler than it looks.
The most common way to order goes like this. You walk up to the counter, you make eye contact with the barista, and you say, "Simon, show us."
Hi, how are you going? Can I grab a flat white, please?
Lovely. So let's break that down. How are you going? That's a very Aussie greeting. It just means, how are you? You don't need to give a long answer. You can just say, good, thanks, you.
Then, can I grab? This is a casual way of saying, can I have? You'll hear it everywhere. Can I grab a coffee? Can I grab a sandwich? It's friendly, it's normal, it's not rude.
You can also say, could I get a flat white, please? Or I'll have a flat white, thanks. All three work.
And don't forget, Australians say thanks or cheers a lot. Cheers doesn't only mean to your health, it can mean thank you.
Yes. Someone hands you your coffee. You say, cheers, mate. That's perfect. That's natural.
Now, let's talk about choices because once you order, the barista will probably ask you a few questions.
The first one is usually the size. Small or large?
Some cafes have three sizes: small, regular, large. Some only have two, just pick one.
Then they might ask, what kind of milk? Because these days there are lots of options.
Full cream, which is the regular dairy milk. Skinny or low fat, that's lower in fat. Then there's soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, and lactose free milk.
Oat milk is really popular right now. A lot of people order oat flat white. That's a flat white made with oat milk.
And one more thing, they might ask, have here or take away.
Have here means you're sitting down at the cafe. Takeaway means you're taking the coffee with you. Some places say for here or to go. Same thing.
So a full order might sound like this. Want to try one, Jess?
Sure, let's role play. You're the barista. I'm the customer.
All right. G'day, how are you going?
Good, thanks. How are you? Can I grab a large oat flat white, please?
Yep, no worries. Have here or take away.
Takeaway, thanks.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Cheers.
Beautiful. That'll be 6.50.
Lovely. And see how short that whole conversation was? Maybe 10 seconds. That's a normal Melbourne cafe exchange.
Now let's add a little customization because sometimes you want your coffee a particular way.
Like, stronger?
You can say extra shot, so a flat white with an extra shot. That gives you more caffeine, more flavor.
Or you can ask for it weaker. Half strength or weak?
You can ask for it hotter. Extra hot, please. Australians don't usually serve coffee scalding hot, so if you like it really hot, just ask.
Or with less foam. Light on the foam or no foam.
And if you have sugar, you can say with one sugar or with two sugars, thanks. Most Aussies don't add sugar at the counter. There's usually sugar packets on the table or by the milk station.
Now, an important cultural point. In Australia, you usually pay first.
Yes, you order at the counter, you pay straight away, and then you sit down. The coffee comes to your table.
This is different from a lot of countries where you pay at the end. In Australia, it's almost always up front.
Especially for takeaway. Pay first, wait 2 or 3 minutes, take your coffee, off you go.
And tipping, let's mention this. In Australia, tipping is not expected. Baristas are paid a proper wage. If you really love your coffee, you can leave a small tip in the jar. But it's not required. And no one will be upset if you don't.
Some card machines now ask if you want to add a tip. It's totally fine to press no tip or skip. You're not being rude.
A few more useful little phrases. If the cafe is busy and you want to be polite, you can say when you're ready or no rush.
And if you don't know what to order, you can ask, what would you recommend or what's good here? Baristas love that question.
They really do. They'll often have a favourite, a single origin coffee, a special blend, something they're proud of.
One more thing, if you're meeting a friend for coffee in Australia, the phrase is let's grab a coffee or want to catch up for a coffee.
That's a really common social invitation. Catch up means meet up and chat. Grab a coffee doesn't always mean a quick takeaway. It can be a 45-minute conversation in a cafe.
Coffee in Australia is a social thing. It's not just about the drink. It's about sitting down, slowing down, and talking.
Beautiful. Okay, I think it's time.
It's time.
Speak local phrase of the day.
Narrator. Today's Speak. Local phrase of the day is one short, friendly line you can use every single morning at any cafe in Australia. It's casual, it's polite, it's natural, and it works in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Perth, anywhere. Listen carefully because we're going to break it down piece by piece.
Today's phrase is I'll grab a flat white, thanks.
I'll grab a flat white, thanks. Let's pull it apart.
That's a contraction of I will. Australians shorten this almost every time. We rarely say the full I will.
Grab. This is the casual word for have or get. Very Aussie, very friendly. You can also use it for food. I'll grab a sandwich. I'll grab a juice.
A flat white. Your drink. You can swap this for any drink. I'll grab a long black, thanks. I'll grab a piccolo, thanks.
And thanks at the end. Small word. Big difference. It softens the whole sentence. Without it, the order can sound a bit blunt. With it, you sound warm and polite.
Try it now, listening at home. Say it with us.
I'll grab a flat white, thanks.
One more time, a little slower.
I'll grab a flat white, thanks.
Simon. Beautiful. Use that tomorrow morning and you'll sound like a local.
So tell us, what's your go-to coffee order?
We really want to know.
Are you a flat white person or a long black person?
Have you ever tried a magic or a piccolo?
And what's coffee culture like where you live? Is it a quick takeaway or a long sit-down moment?
Tell us in the comments below.
And if you like this episode, please subscribe.
We have a new episode every week.
Until next time, keep learning, keep listening, and keep speaking.
And remember, order with a smile and don't be afraid of the magic.
Nice one. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.
You've been listening to Speak Local. Real conversations, real Australian English for learners everywhere. Speak with us. Learn with us. We'll see you next time.